Hello, Pioneers.
On today's agenda, we will be going over
student interviews,
introducing our community show,
on how to Halloween cake decor. My name is Nick.
And my name is Quinn.
And welcome to your Pioneer Report.
Do you know Jason's full name from like?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
Jason Voorhees.
Jason Voorhees.
Yes.
Okay. What would you say your favorite scary movie is?
Probably one of the Conjuring movies.
When was the last time you watched like a scary movie recently?
Last time I watched a scary movie, probably like a couple weeks ago.
A couple weeks ago. What scary movie was it?
It was Halloween. It's kind of mid. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's kind of mid, but it was alright. It was alright. Yeah.
Okay. So wait, first off, what's your name?
Isaiah.
Isaiah. I was Isaiah. Have you watched any like really good scary movies lately?
Not lately, like not recently, but like a few months ago.
Okay, all right, for sure. Like what was like the last good scary movie you said you watched recently?
Not Insidious. Conjuring.
The Conjuring? Oh yeah, that one was good. Which one? The first one, or the second one?
All of them.
All of them.
I like all of them. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I appreciate you answering questions.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so we're gonna be asking you a few questions. What movie is this house from?
The Nightmare on Elm Street.
That's correct, yeah. So, good job. All right, Redemption. For your mind that you might think.
Michael Myers.
Do you know what house what movie this house is from?
Nightmare on Elm Street.
Yeah, that's correct.
Hey, Quinn, have you heard about our new segment?
No, what is it?
Our community show will poll monthly on Instagram to see what you guys would like to see.
For the first episode, Spooky Science.
Welcome to the community show. I'm your host, Jace Felix. Welcome to the community show. Every month you can submit your ideas to Instagram and I will be forced to do them, which is crazy, to be honest, but we ran out of ideas. But for today's video, since it's the first one, I came up with the idea myself and I'm gonna need to change the clothes really quick. We're doing spooky science. We're doing science, but it's spooky. This is hard to read. Oh, we're making elephant toothpaste. I didn't mention that. Nah, that's all good. It doesn't say, oh, half a cup? I don't know how much half a cup is. How long is half a cup? Would this be considered half a cup? How much is a cup? Alright, just gonna. Too much? Oh well. More is better, isn't it? We're gonna save the yeast for last, because I think just hydrogen peroxide and yeast together don't mix well. So we're gonna go with the soap next. I didn't think any of this through. This is what people requested of me. They wanted a community show, they get a community show. Spooky science, everybody. The spookiest part is, will I end up in the hospital today? This is enough. Oh, this didn't work. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? This isn't what was supposed to happen. How did that go? What did I do wrong? Don't worry, we have like 2 more beakers. It's all good. So, our chemist, our local chemist Michael, told us that this was wrong. So we're actually gonna put even more hydrogen peroxide. This is gonna be fine. I need someone. Can someone just be my mic holder? Thank you. Can you just be my sound man? How? You do have a great arm on scene. Oh! Oh no. It appears that... I don't know if that's supposed to... It's getting hot, you know? I told you, man. Man, that's mildly hot. It appears I've been pranked.
Hey Jace, kind of disappeared. What's up, man?
Hi. It's been a rough day.
Really?
I had to bake cakes and my segment went terribly. Now my hands smell gross and like rotten bread.
It does smell.
It's terrible. It's just, my day's just gone from bad to worse, man.
Oh.
Well, that was your Pioneer Report, nerds.
Oh dang, that's spooky.
Let's move on to our how-to show.
How to decorate a Halloween cake.
Alright, so welcome to the how-to segment. Anthony and I here are going to be baking a cake.
As you can tell, we're professionals.
Now for the cup of water. Alright, there's our cup of water. We now have 3 eggs.
I have so much
We have our eggs in the bowl with our cup of water and our cake batter. Next, our half cup of vegetable oil. Yeah, I'll do the whole thing. Yeah.
Gotta get all of them.
We're grown men. So now we...
Biggest one bomb.
Today we're ovening. Not hard, but I didn't trust these other ding-dongs to do it, so I'm doing it. And that's cake. So first up, we need a knife. Okay, so first up, just stab in. I'm gonna use my hand for this. Don't do this at home, because this is a hot tray, a hot cake. Okay, so now we have half the cake, and most of it is on my hand. Yeah, they know how it is. Okay. Marshmallow time.
Jace is hot. Takes.
This one right here is for the Queen of England. Just put a crown on it. Thank you for joining us on how to decorate a Halloween cake.
More like how to make a cake because it's dessert.
Yeah, that's true. We didn't really do a good job decorating. That's a nice
little gremlin.
Yum, that looks delicious.
Thanks for tuning in.
Students, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our next videos.
And make sure to follow us at our Twitter.
Until next time,
This has been your Pioneer Report.
Damn it! Now we're gonna cut and the whole camera's gonna be like...
Oh dang, spooky.
Spooky science, everybody. The spookiest part is, will I end up in the hospital today?
Oh yummy bummy. I should have said that.
Does this angle make my chin look big? I won't know.
He looks so proud of himself, but the microwave is about to explode next to him.